Welcome to Arc Flash Safety Awareness. Arc flash incidents are common, deadly, and costly. Reports of incidents are on the rise. An arc flash is another hazard that can cause serious injury, even death. This can happen even if you don't come in direct contact with an energized conductor.
If you're not an electrician, you may be thinking that this training program is a waste of time because you don't work on electrical equipment. You may not work on or install electrical components, but the information is extremely valuable, regardless of what job you may have or how little you may be exposed to electrical hazards. Certainly electricians and maintenance persons working on or around electricity are at an increased risk, but everyone should be trained in basic arc flash safety procedures.
After successfully completing this program, you will be able to understand what arc flashes and blasts are and the injuries that can result. Know the difference between unqualified and qualified personnel. Identify the three types of boundaries: limited, restricted, and prohibited. Know the personal protective equipment needed for shock protection in the different boundaries. And create safe working conditions. Regulations covering arc flash safety include NEC 2008 National Electric Code, Article 110.16, which specifies requirements for labeling equipment. NFPA 70E, Standard for Electrical Safety in the Workplace, Article 130, and others, which requires an evaluation of arc flash hazards and documenting incident energy. This standard also specifies approach boundaries and PPE requirements for different hazard categories. And OSHA 1910 Subpart S, which requires hazard assessment and use of PPE. An arc flash is a sudden release of electrical energy through the air that flash over from one exposed live conductor to another conductor or to ground. An arc flash gives off thermal radiation or heat and bright, intense light that can cause burns. Temperatures have been recorded as high as 35,000 degrees Fahrenheit. This is 4 times the surface temperature of the sun. An arc flash can even produce considerable pressure waves by rapidly heating the air and creating a blast. This pressure burst can hit a worker with such a force, as well as melt copper or aluminum electrical components, and send these metal droplets great distances at extremely high velocities. This is like 8 sticks of dynamite.